So we're taking a look at this third condition, which is side, side, side similarity, or SSS tilde. And we're saying if two triangles have all three pairs of corresponding sides that are proportional, that means they have the same zoom factor. Then the triangles will be similar. So now I want you to draw these two diagrams in. I've got triangle RDP and triangle KAT. And I've got side lengths for all three of them. Clearly, these two triangles are not drawn to scale, because if you look at the values of the side lengths for KAT, they are far bigger than the values for the side lengths of RDP, but my triangle itself looks a lot smaller. This just goes to tell you that when you're looking at a diagram in geometry, you cannot trust your eyes. You can only trust what is marked with geometry markings or values. So I've got the values of the side lengths here, and so that's what I have to go off of. Even though triangle KAT looks smaller, the markings, the side length values tell me that it's actually bigger than the other one. Okay, so you know me, I like color coding stuff so I can kind of keep it straight visually. So I'm gonna highlight the corresponding sides in the two triangles. So starting with triangle RDP, I'm gonna start with the smallest side. My smallest side here is DP, and it has a length of 6.5. So I look at my other triangle and I find the smallest side length, which is gonna be KT, and it has a side length of 16.25. So if I write that out in a ratio, I would have 16.25 divided by 6.5. And this is going to tell me what the zoom factor is. And I get that my zoom factor is 2.5. All right, so that means that for my yellow shaded sides, my zoom factor was 2.5. All right, now let's take a look at the middle length side. The middle length is 13, RD, and the middle length in KAT is 32.5. Okay, so these are the values that I'm going to put in my next ratio, my next fraction. So I'm going to do 32.5 divided by 13. And when I do that, I get 2.5. All right, so there is my green highlighted side ratio. Notice they have the same zoom factor. And finally, I have my longest side, 24, and my longest side here, which is 60. And if I do the ratio for that one, I would have 60 divided by 24. And again, I put that in my calculator and I get that it is 2.5. So there is the blue highlighted ratio. So you can see all three pairs of sides have the same zoom factor. And we know that side, side, side similarity condition ensures that if this is the case, those two triangles have to be similar.